If turning around on a busy main road feels stressful, this video is for you. Most drivers don't realize there are easier ways to turn around. Did you notice that car making a U-turn on this busy road? As a new driver, doing a full turn or three-point turn here can feel stressful and block traffic. I'm also turning around here, but in this video, I'll show a safer and easier way to turn around for new drivers. Good driving is not about rushing. It's about planning ahead. Experienced drivers don't show off. They choose the safest and easiest option. Taking an extra side road does not make you a bad driver. It makes you a smart one. I'm taking a right turn into a side road here, and I'm going to attempt a turnaround, the safer way for new drivers. This side road is quiet and wide, so I can make a U-turn easily. But first, I need to check my mirrors, look ahead, and observe my surroundings before turning. Before making the full U-turn, I let the oncoming vehicle pass, and I signal to show my intention. I turn the steering fully to the right to start the U-turn, then release the steering to straighten the car once the turn is complete. Now I turn left from this giveaway junction to rejoin the main road. I check my mirrors, look ahead, and signal before merging safely. Now that you've learned a safer way to turn around, are you ready for the next challenge? In my next video, I'll show you how to tackle roundabouts with confidence, a must-know for every new driver. Click here to watch and level up your driving skills.